$200. No big deal. We can do this job. We can get it. We can get it. We can get it. Looking for you see here a couple of my fills here. Getting long here. Let me auto fit this. Can I auto fit this? There we go. Getting long here a couple times, but getting stopped out so early because it's so much volatile movement. Looking to get long here actually. See if we can hold this area here. I'm gonna join the
order filled.
I'm gonna join the bid there. But anyways, getting long. Made some profit there. Getting long here. Get stopped out so early that I can't really catch these moves up. Getting long here. Long here.
Order filled.
There we go. We're back in the profit. It's easy. Back in the profit. Loss for the day is $200. Went from 500 something to 200. Quite simple. Just need to get one more win and be in green for the day. Took a lot of losses. Yeah, I can manually do it, but it's sometimes it moves too quick, and I wanted to follow the rules of the system, so I haven't manually set so it follows the rules of my system. Like over like 1,000 trades, it'll do really well, but I just happen to be on, like, you know how you like flip heads like 10 times in a row. It's like it's one of those times where it just happens to be a lot of small losses. I just need one big win to do really well. Looking to join the ask here. See if this holds. Gonna join the ask. Okay, never mind. Like if I manually do it, I'll tend to have wider stops and stuff like that, and I'll lose more. Like if I did it over a course of 1,000 trades, then it would be, I would make more errors than the system would. The system is just better than me in general. I just have to pick the right entries. So it looks like I didn't hold there. Didn't hold that sell off there. Back in the green. I mean, not for today, but we're back into the green in the account. Back in the green for the account. All it takes is one more win. If I have room for about 4 more big loss, the max loss of the system, but I could have a lot of break-even trades, actually. Okay, looks like there's upward momentum here. Also, I was trading on the phone, and the phone's just not as good as the computer. When I would see an opportunity, I would have to buy market, sell market, because there isn't a join bid, join ask button on the mobile version, and then there would be a lot of slippage, which would cause me to get stopped out pretty early, as opposed to getting filled precisely. I was getting filled like where was I getting filled? Back here. I would place a buy and I would get filled up here. You know what I mean? Like, that's pretty terrible. Let's see if we can't hold this Bollinger Band. Looks like we're gonna hold. Might get actually a pop off. We'll see what happens. If it breaks above this like double top here. Okay. Looks like it doesn't really quite want to go up there. This last one was a success, so I'm not gonna buy this bull. But it did break out there. Okay, did break out there. Back to break even. Just need one more win with the system, and then we'll be in very green for the day. The risk reward is, I think, like 1 to 6, something like that, something crazy like that. So I could lose six losses before I actually start losing money, and I could lose a lot of break evens because it's only commission. It's like $3 a commission. So as long as I get break even every time, it's pretty good. Just waiting for a sell-off here. See it kind of like bigger picture. There's a bigger picture sell-off here from 30.21 all the way down there, and then this one couldn't break. As long as this high doesn't break above this one, then as long as this high doesn't break above this high, we're good. We'll be good. Yeah, they really need to add, or maybe I can add it somehow. I didn't see a way to add it, but if they can add a join ask join bid button on the mobile, that'd be freaking crazy. I could trade anywhere. But anyways, getting filled there for a big win right here. Looking for a crossover and looking to short on the downward. As long as this high doesn't break above, which looks like it didn't. It's starting to pull back now, so we're gonna join ask any second now. We're just looking for a confirmation. We're getting confirmation. We're gonna join that ask.
Order filled.
Getting filled there.
Stop filled.
Getting stopped out of break even, no big deal. Actually might have been for a small profit. The candle didn't even close red, so let's wait for a confirmation red candle. Actually, like close. Let's look for it to close red. Okay, close red. Let's try the ask again.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, getting stopped out there. Looks like we're gonna continue upward then. Looking for this one to confirm blue. Looking for this candle to confirm blue. Average true range is about 4 right now, which is pretty volatile. Gonna get in. Okay, never mind. We're gonna stay red. Okay, we're getting that sell-off now. Looking for this confirm red. Pull back up. Looking for a little bit of a pull back up. Yeah. Gonna join there.
Order filled.
Filled there. 73.75. Okay,
stop filled.
Okay, no big deal. I want this one to confirm blue. So clearly the short momentum's not here this time around. Okay, we're getting in, waiting on the next candle. Try to be very patient here. Waiting on the next candle. Waiting on. What is this gonna do? Is it gonna sell off? Might just be in that consolidation phase. Gonna wait a little bit. Gonna wait a little bit. Looks like we're leaning more towards selling right now. Couldn't quite break up here. Okay, looking for a pullback up now. If it's gonna close, that was actually a pretty big candle, so I'm gonna wait for it to close up. Going up a little bit. Alright.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stopped out again. Damn. No big deal. We still have 3 more losses till we can't make a profit from a next win. I thought I saw the tape slow down there, but it was just stalling for a sec. Okay. Just the 512 tick. Okay. Okay, we're definitely getting the sell off now. It's literally just early every other time. Okay, looking for a pullback up. See if we can get a further pullback up. See if we can get maybe up to like 71. Can we get up to 71? Looking for pullback up to 71. I was literally just early. Look at 3 times early. Next one was a big one. Oh my god. Okay, getting the run up, getting the run up. Get a run up. Can we get a little bit more run up? Up to like 70. Retest the 70. Retest the 70. Nah, not getting that retest. Alright, gonna have to sit this one out. Oh man. Looks like it didn't continue that much further. On the bright side, we have 3 rejections upward. So the next one has actually more of a chance to break out up the next test upward if we can get a closed blue candle. If we can get a closed blue candle here, then it'll be really good. Alright, make it at any second now. Okay, starting to get the blues. Alright, getting the first candle blue. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Oh, it's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. Looking for a pullback. Down to 69 ish. Looking for a pullback down in that EM. The moving average. Looking for a pullback down in the moving average. No pullback. I called it, just didn't enter. Didn't have the gusto to enter. Boom, 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 triple rejection. I was like, the next one, good chance is gonna break out. Good chance. Ah, I missed the win. Damn it. Not getting the pullback either. Looking to get just looking to get one more win actually. Gonna stop for the day after one more win. Pull back. See what's going on here. Looks like it's gonna bounce for a little bit. Couldn't quite make a new high. We're gonna join the ask here any second. Looking to join the ask there.
Order filled.
I get stopped out here. Stop move to break even. Get a little bit of sell off here. Get a little bit of sell off. Might be looking to exit early if the tape is.
Stop filled.
Ooh, whoa, getting stopped out there. Actually getting stopped out for a profit. What is this big green candle? Looks like we're switching up back to upward momentum. Okay, we're definitely blue. Whoa, switching back down. Holy shit. I'm gonna wait for this to calm down a little bit. Someone with a lot of size is getting in here. Someone with a lot of size is in here right now. What was that whipsaw? Kind of waiting for the smoke to clear. That would have been a good short right here, back in the retest. But I didn't take it. Was kind of shocked at how just, did you see this big engulfing candle right here? I was like, what the hell is going on? Alright, here we go. Looking to join the bid, looking to join the bid. Looking to join there.
Order filled.
Getting filled there.
Stop filled.
Getting stopped out there. Actually for a profit. Wow. Pretty sweet. I look to, this might look like it. I don't know. It's curling like it's gonna go up, but there's these three. Yeah, it's starting to break out a little bit. No? Okay. I was just gonna say it's just like in this box right here. It's not really going up, even though it's curling like it wants to. Let's see if it rejects this crossover or not. No, it looks like it's continuing. A little bit of a downtrend right here. We're getting like a little bit of a wedge right now. A little bit of a wedge. Very choppy. Very choppy. Chop City. We're in Chop City right now. We're in the Chop City. Do do do. Do no 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 no. Why can't we get like clear moves? Like, I don't know. None of these. This was a very clear move. Clear move. Clear move. That one was a really clear move. What was I doing then? I was at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. Damn. Kind of looking for a switch upward. It's so choppy, like it's whipsaw. Boom. Let's check out Thinkorswim. See if there's any stocks we could trade. Alright, we're getting blue. We're gonna join the bid on a pullback here. We're gonna join.
Order
Stop
filled.
Okay, never mind. Okay, got joined, instantly stopped out. I was like, oh, this is a big blue candle. We're gonna go up. Actually, just retested that trend line. That's okay. We got about one. I'll count that as 1, 2, 3 rejections now. Once I see the downward is starting to slow off, I'm gonna look for an opportunity. Looking for the tape to slow down. Looking for that tape to slow down, and then we'll go in. We'll go long. Oh. Come on, tape. Oh, we're getting the crossover here. Okay, first candle is a success. We're gonna join the bid there.
Order filled.
Oh,
Stop
okay,
filled.
gonna get stopped out there. Not a big deal. I'm gonna check out. Tesla's at 705 right now. We have 4 rejections currently for the upside. Looks like the downside is slowing down a lot. What we like to see. Never mind, it's going faster. It was looking like it was slowing down right here, but it just shot downward again. So gonna look for another entry long here. Go for an entry long. Looking for a confirmation blue candle. The average true range is going down a lot, so there's gonna be a big move soon. I'm thinking it's gonna be in the
Order Stop filled.
okay. Gonna stop that break even there. Okay, looking for a little bit of pullback. Join the bid there.
Order filled.
Getting filled there in the bid.
Stop filled.
Out there. Okay, whatever. What are we at? We're at 450. Okay. We're pretty much at break even right now. Looks like it's kind of rejecting. Let's run up here. This one might have been a fake red candle. Okay. It's kind of the move. Like, what is this move? What is this movement? This is Chop City. Gonna sit this one out. Gonna sit this crossover out. Gonna wait for the next one. Gonna wait for the next crossover. Just doesn't. Look at this chop though. It's like boom, 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 boom. Need a little bit of a smoother. I don't have an. It just seems like I don't have an edge right now. Okay. Is this one it? No. Looking for a closed blue here. We're breaking that trend line. Actually, not really. Not this one, but that steep one we did. We got a crossover for a little bit too. Starting to bottom out here, not making a newer low. Okay, this is the crossover. I think this is it. Waiting for a pullback, a little bit of a pullback. The tip is slow. Look at
Order filled. Okay. Stop filled.
I'm gonna get stopped out there for a little bit of a profit. This might be it. For another pullback if we can. I'm looking to get in there. Gonna get in there. 59.75. 59 3/4. Looking to get in there. 59 3/4. Gonna get in there. 59 3/4. Might get filled, might not.
Order Stop filled.
Okay, instantly stopped. I'm gonna switch short here. We're gonna get short. Looking for a pullback up to get short. Pullback up. A little bit closer to this moving average if we can. Might not get the opportunity to get filled there. This was a clean move. This was a clean move. That was so clean. No indecision. The indecision was right here. I was buying the chop. Buying the chop, not selling the clean. Not buying the clean. Damn. Looking for a possible re-entry short. Looking for a re-entry short. Maybe at the 55 area. We can get up to the 55, closer to the 55. We gotta sit this one out. Wait for the next pull up. The next move up, I think, has a lot of potential to pop. Close to that $500 loss again. Damn. We're getting close. Looking, yes. Big downward movement. I guess I should be looking for opportunities short. And these were, I mean, even if I went short, I guess on this crossover, it would have been good. Go short right there. Short right there. I think I would have got stopped out there, so let's see. If I switch my positions, getting short at any of these ones except for right here, I would have got stopped out. So either way, I would have got stopped out. Except for right here. Right here, this would have been a winner. This was actually, yeah. So even if two winners actually. This one would have been a winner if I shorted up here. I think I just gotta accept today's gonna be a losing day. Average true range is going down a lot. Getting ready for a big move. We're getting a crossover on the blue. Waiting for a confirmation close blue. Looking to get in long here. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Looking to get in long there. Looking to get long there 48. See if we can get long there 48. Not getting filled at 48. This is very frustrating. Right. Wait for a little bit of a pullback. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looking for a pullback. Come on. Let's get this pullback. Pullback. Might just have to jump in here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, you're gonna get stopped out there. Getting that pullback that we wanted to. We're gonna switch short. We got a confirmation red candle. I want to see the second one actually close. No, okay. Might be the pullback. Switch red. Okay, we're gonna get that crossover. Pullback. Looking to get short here. Let's get short.
Order filled.
Let's get short there. Price target's 37. If we can hit 37.
Stop filled.
Stop there. Let's get long. Looking to get long. Still holds. Might not hold. Okay, we're holding. Gonna get long.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh man. Stopped. Look at this move. Oh, man. Look at that move. Damn. Eight handles would be 54. So if it goes up to 54, we would hit a price target. If it doesn't, then we wouldn't have hit a price target. Yep, it's gonna hit 54. What a bummer. What a bummer. Where are we now in the big picture? Okay. Looks like we just broke out of this. That was a break of structure right there. Looks like we're just about retesting this trend. I think we might be in the process of breaking out of there right now. It might shoot up right now. We can get a big rally out of this. Do you see this right here? Getting filled here. Getting stopped out early. Looking for an opportunity. See, I don't know. Should I follow the crossovers? It's the best risk reward. I'm just gonna look for one more win. If we get one more win, we're gonna walk away here. And one more win. We're gonna walk away with one more win. Can this next one be a win? How many rejections we got? Okay, we only got one rejection pretty much. Previously, so the odds aren't as good as if there were 3 rejections downward. Odds aren't as good as there. The next crossover will be a rejection. We missed this one. This one would have been beautiful if I did. It seemed like it was going, right? What happened? Yeah, I think it just pushed down real quick. Like a quick retest. We still made a profit, but it's like, it's not a win. We need winners. Not anything that's not a winner is a loser. Anything that's not a big win is a loser. Break evens are losers, and small wins. It's gotta fully complete the risk reward. Slowing down now. Right, see, this run up is very slow. Very slow moving. See a couple of times on the run down. Big candles. This run up was pretty quick. But it's only at the end there. Average true range is also very low. Could be that it's further on in the day, so it's getting lower. Could just be more transactions going on. So it's like, it's just moving like ding, 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 ding. You know what I mean? Like it just fills up to 512 real quick. That could also be a reason why. Average true range is a little bit, it's kind of rising right now. Just getting back up to that 3 area. Alright, we're getting lower. Kinda. Average true range, expecting a big move here. Getting a little bit of a divergence here on the true range. Setting up for a move down, I think. Getting a little bit of a divergence there. Alright, looking to sell here on a crossover here. First one's red. Looking to join there.
Order filled.
Getting filled there.
Stop filled.
Getting stopped there, of course. Of course. Rejected there. Looking to get
Order filled.
Check that retest.
Stop filled.
Getting stopped there. Break even again. This, oh man, it's gonna run off again. Wow, are you kidding me? Getting stopped out at break even both times, only for it to go off. Man, that's poop. It is poop. Let's check out the 1600 time frame. Where are we here? Oh, we're actually looking like it's gonna continue long. It's gonna continue long here. Yeah, this off was totally fake. This off was totally fake. Maybe we should stick with the 1600. Jesus. Look at all this chop that we were in. I could have gotten. Can we get a confirmation red candle here? Looking for a pop up. Looking for a pop up here. Looking for a pop up. Malibu sack. Look at it join there.
Order filled.
Hopefully we don't get stopped out. There we go. 50.25. Can we hit the 50.25? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man. Nerve wracking. Nerve wracking. The 50.25. Let's go. Come on. You got it. Come on. 50.25. Let's go. 50.25. Come on. Let's go. 50.25. Let's go. Come on. No. No. You can do it. You can do it. 50.25. It's alright. 50.25. 50.25. 50.25. Totally can. Come on. Damn.
Stop filled.
Gonna get stopped out there. Rejoin? This is a rejoin area? Look at that reject. It's gonna turn blue. That's the question. Is it gonna turn blue? Let's turn this. Let's turn this to dark. There we go. Get in that dark mode. Get in that dark mode. See if we can inch. Looks like it's gonna switch long here. Might switch long. It's retesting right now. Gonna go back, and now we're there. So close, dude. So close to getting another win there. was definitely a retest. For sure. Just don't have an edge right now. I don't think. Not with that strategy. Maybe I have to lower my profit targets a little bit. 1 to 5 instead of 1 to 6. I like the 1 to 6. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with the system, not change the system. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it there. Thanks for tuning in, everyone that tuned in. Gonna lose for the day here. Not really that big of a deal. We're pretty much still break even. So even though it's a loser, we're still break even. Not a big deal. Tomorrow, there's always tomorrow. So see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.